Hi guys, thanks for checking out another cooking with me video. These are organic romaine hearts that we're chopping, and we have organic baby spinach. Let me just say, I know you guys have seen the title. I said this is the best chicken salad ever, not the healthiest. I just want to put that disclaimer out there. Okay, so after we chop the romaine hearts, we wash them off. I've already washed my baby spinach and it's draining on the cutting board, as well as the romaine hearts. I love the different variations of green. I just think it's so pretty. This is about 2.5 pounds of hickory smoked bacon. You can use turkey bacon. You can use applewood. You can absolutely modify this. That is one of the best sounds in the world. I love it. So now I'm just going to chop through my bacon, trying to open it up a little bit. And what I'll do here is I'll just let it cook for a little while, and then it'll soften up as you see here. So it has softened up, and now I'm just going to let it cook. I have my fire on a medium high heat. You guys, give me a thumbs up for this video. Click the notification bell to be notified of when we upload new videos. Thumbs up this video, share this video. If you know somebody who don't know how to cook, just share the video with them. Just say, girl, I want you to check this out. That's all. You ain't got to tell them, look, I know you don't know how to cook. Just say, girl, check this out. That's all you got to do. Okay, so now I have the tenderloins, and I've shown you how to debone chicken and to cut off the tenderloins, and I'll link that video in the description. So I just put the tenderloins in a bag, and I have a handheld size cast iron skillet, a very small, like a 8-inch cast iron skillet, and I am pounding the tenderloins thinner because I want them to cook fast. I want them to cook pretty fast. That's a tenderloin that has not been hit with the cast iron skillet. That is one that it has. It's going to cook faster. It's going to be very thin, and it cooks faster. So now once I take it out the bag, I season them up and I put them in a pile, and I get the next batch in and I do all that. Meanwhile, while this is going on, my bacon is still cooking. This is my bacon. So after the bacon was done, I removed the bacon, and I didn't batter the tenderloins or anything. I just seasoned them up real good, and I am going to fry them in the bacon grease. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to fry them in the bacon grease. Now, when you see your chicken is turning white around the sides, that means it's cooking pretty well, and it's almost time to flip. Oh, beauty at its best. Oh, you guys. Y'all, this is so good. My mouth is just salivating now, reliving it in my head. Oh my God, it was so good. I'm gonna have to make this again. But anyway, after you turn it over, you take the chicken out after it is completely cooked, and voila, you guys. And I made a strawberry version. Come on now, y'all. Thumbs up this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.